Hi, I'm Gabriella, and I'm excited to finally introduce PicDice to you. PicDice is the first DIY kit that transforms your photo into a mosaic made entirely from real dice. Here's how it works. Once you receive your PicDice kit, you'll get access to our website where you can upload any photo, adjust the lighting and contrast, and download your custom dice map. Our software then transforms it into a grayscale image, breaking it down into shades of light and dark. Each shade is matched to a die face from 1 to 6. Using black dice with white pips, you recreate your photo as a detailed mosaic. The PicDice kit includes everything you need with over 2,000 real dice. The image is divided into equal-sized tiles, making it a fun project you can build on your own or with friends and family. Like a puzzle, when the tiles come together, your full picture is revealed. PicDice is available in 2 sizes, standard and large. When you're done, you can mount your artwork directly to the wall with the included double-sided tape for a clean, tactile look, or frame it for a classic look.